Here I have Tesla Model Y, and on this example let me show you the quick tutorial how to change the driver profile's name. Let's begin. So let's assume that you would like to change the name. As you can see here I've got the Joe, so this is the Joe's profile, and if I would like to change the name I need to tap right here, then choose driver profile settings, the last option from the following list. Let me tap it here, and as you can see here you've got the information about the profile. You can here change the name, so simply in my case let me change it from Joe to Peter. Tap enter, and that's it. You just change the name. Here you can also change a few other things. You can, for example, restore the Tesla profile. You can also enable the require phone key for profile or enable the easy entry. You can also add new drivers here, but in my case let me stay here only with changing the name. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.